This is the crack in my windscreen. Basically, it started, hopefully you guys can see, but it started from here. I think here was like a little chip in the windscreen, and then basically they ran halfway through. That is how it looks from the inside. It's quite visible, so now we need to sort this out. I don't know what the price is on a new windscreen on this car. Maybe like 3 to 5k. Yeah guys, we need to sort that out. I'm here at a place called Autoboys in Paarl because I'm here to replace my car's windscreen. I've been to Audi and Audi told me that I can't buy a windscreen at another place unless I buy it at Audi. Now the one I have is, keep in mind I have a rain sensor, so I can't just buy any type of windscreen. I have no idea how it happened. I think it started from a chip and then it completely started to make a crack. So as you can see right there, it's actually quite visible when you sit in the car. So when you climb inside, it's quite visible from the inside. So I don't know how that happened. I have no idea. I think it might have been a chip or something that I didn't see, and then it ran through almost halfway through the windscreen. Ja man, wat julle is vandag op YouTube man. Alright, oh. Die wiper. Trek maar. Oh sh. What? Huh? Oh, this is how they remove. It's basically glue, no?
Yeah,
Sika flicks, is it I?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, but that's how they remove a windscreen. Oh sh. Is it los? Hey, my windscreen is los. Oh my word. Oh my. There goes the old one. Damn guys. This is insane. Oh, I see the rain sensor, no? The rain sensor thingy. So die word ook basically vastgeglue, nee? Die nieuwe windscreen.
Is het gel?
Oh, is het gel?
Druk je vast in de rij, zelf keer.
It's not even glue, no? It's glue.
Is het gel?
It's a gel, yeah. It like not cheap gel actually. Nah, really. Audi uses a type of gel to, you know, to make sure that this rain sensor thingy don't come loose. Oh, hij staat weer op. So wat is hij? Wat is?
Kijk, die werkt op basically. Die Sikaflex, hij wordt ook wel losgesneden.
Okay.
Basically,
Oh.
like a Q1.
Okay. Guys, one thing that I will say, car dealerships like Audi, VW, BMW, they will always make a situation more complicated than it actually is. You can come to a, you know, another place to fit your windscreen, your bumper. Like I said, I've been to Audi and they said I can't, just because I have a rain sensor, I can't take it to another place like my windscreen. So, but it's not true. Do you guys see? It's these places that actually does things like this. So yeah. The rear side design of the Audi. Yeah, the rear side design of the Audi is probably the best part of the car. The dive in Stuyvesant's. How many of you guys smoke? Let me know in the comments. How many smokers do we have watching the videos? I didn't COVID, the eentjes was duur, ne? Huh? In COVID, the eentjes was expensive. Nee. Yeah. And what's the average price of a packet of Stuyvesant? The small packet?
Ja, die.
Okay.
Hier is nou 50, hier is 45.
And that's what, Rotmans?
Rotmans and this Marlboro.
And how much did it cost in COVID?
Ik had 470 een pakje betaald. 17 eentjes.
Eén pak niet groot.
Heel vol in 17.
Guys.
Was 470.
In COVID? That's crazy. Oh, thank you. Wat is daar met de lucht?
Dat is nou die oude Sikaflex dat ik net wist.
Oh, die Sikaflex, okay.
Dat is basically hard die Sikaflex.
Damn. The rain sensor. So it's basically they use like a gel to, you know, what do you call it in English? But basically to fixate the rain sensor to the windscreen. Apologies for my English, guys. Wat is hy? KWP? 10 jaar. Damn, 1,000 liters of KWB. This is not a special type of windscreen. It's only the fact that it has this little thingy here for the rain sensor. But it's basically the same as any other windscreen. Audi, they complicate the whole situation. Like I can't buy this at another place. As you can see, they have multiple glasses here. Here's no crack now. Nou lekker. Hey, score. There goes the clips. This is my old window. And I think, yeah, this window is gonna be thrown away. Klaar.
Ja.
So guys, the window or the windscreen has been installed in my car. Moet ik kom uittrek? I'm gonna stand. Okay, cool. Yeah, I can't wash my car now for 2 days. Yeah, so when there's a chip in your windscreen, they use what gebruik julle?
Use a resin.
I use, okay.
We drill to the first layer of the glass.
Okay.
And then we put the resin in, and then we press it and heat it up, and then it's stopped.
Okay, so then the crack won't run through the window. So do you guys have it when you have a chip in your windscreen? Rather stop it before you have to replace your whole window, like myself now. But yeah, guys, that's basically the installation, and I'm gonna wait, let me turn my camera. Basically, I have to wait about 40 to 45 minutes for the Sikaflex to sit. So yeah, I can't wash my car now for 2 days. So yeah. Oh, finally, my car has a new windscreen, a windscherm. All thanks to Autoboys Paarl. For installing my windscreen, my front window. Yeah, come on. Sorted. Yeah, we are sorted. Yeah, thanks. So once again, all thanks to Autoboys Paarl. Guys, they do come to Stellenbosch, basically the whole Winelands. So they are mobile as well. So yeah, my car's sorted. So guys, there you have it. You don't need to go to Audi or BMW or VW to do something like this. Quite interesting to see how they fit the windscreen. I've never seen, people do this. And luckily for me, the insurance will cover that cost. 3,000 to 5,000 rand saved out of my own pocket for now. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I'll put this place number in the description box down below. I'll see you in the next video. And luckily for me, I have no crack in my windscreen, as you can see right there. So yeah, we are sorted for now. And guys, the next modification on the Audi will be spraying the brake calipers red. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.